Hey, this species is growing and dripping. Who gonna open first? Who gonna open first? Stop playing me, bro. Stop fucking playing me, Quincy, for real.
Hey, Pike gon' swear they holding me down. Just a nigga from the south getting money. I been getting bad, these niggas getting frying. The fat man showed me how to give me some money. Posting the trap for money, son. Nigga used to laugh, but shit went funny. Now I'm finna blow, I feel this shit coming.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Quincy TV, and I'm back with another video, as you can see. And today, guys, we got a new video, y'all. We got a new video. So basically, y'all, I done went and got some food for me and my boy Can't Lie KJ. You know what I'm saying? We finna do a mukbang, but it's a mukbang. But little do we know, y'all, I'm finna do that YW Melly prank on him. Do y'all hear me? The YW murder on my mind prank. You know, we got that blingy, whatever. But y'all know, man, make sure y'all subscribe, drop a like, comment, you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? I'm finna call it by outside, cause shit, I'm getting hungry. Yeah, though, but this would be funny though. Like, I don't know how this shit actually gonna be. Like, murder on my mind. Whoa, whoa. Oh. I'm call it by outside. Hello? Hello? Hey, I'm outside with the food, bitch. Come outside. True. Shit, we got my soul. That sweet tea right there. This would be funny, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. You need to take him too long, damn. Hello? Man, you sound like you on a game, bro. Nigga, come on, nigga.
Alright, come, bro. What you talking about, the food outside?
Yeah, finna do a mukbang. True. Oh, I was arrested a little bitch. I'm an animal. Man, little savage, no, he not an animal. I'm too ready. Oh shit. What's up, my brother?
Yo.
Tell me something to stick to it, my brother.
We took a long time with
No,
the food.
you took a long time to come outside.
Man, it took a long time, bro.
You said, what you said you wanted again?
Tell what?
What you said you wanted? I make sure I got the right thing. What you said you wanted?
For the chicken tunnel shit.
Shit. I think I put my fork on that bitch. Man. You gonna say what's up to the channel, bro?
I ain't even had that bitch on.
Yeah.
Yo.
I done called you.
What's up, Quincy TV, man?
TV game.
TV game.
Showing you food, bro. You just gonna...
Alright, man. I had to get a taste of that bitch first, bro.
Showing you food. And we got that, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, your shit look good for me this one.
Nah.
That's fucked up, bro.
You gonna give me... Bro, you got the same thing, bro. It's just I got ranch and stuff on mine. And bacon.
That shit look better, man. My fry a little dry as fuck, bro. How long you took, bro?
15 minutes.
Definitely ain't damn far from this bitch. Says definitely ain't damn far.
It's down the boulevard. Probably like a what? 8 minute drive from your house?
Probably.
Then you know my house. And shit like that.
That shit don't look done.
Do that.
Trigger time.
Probably ain't, man. Was you not to Can't Lie KJ?
Huh? Chilling, working, eating.
The folks wanna know when you dropping again, man.
Shit, I just dropped like what? 2 days ago. So make sure I go watch that video with the fart spray on this nigga ass. Matter of fact.
Man, that nigga so stank.
That shit was kind of fart.
Yeah.
Like damn, but man, it was like I sprayed that motherfucker right now in the mud.
Get the fuck out. Man, oh my mama, we gonna bump, fool.
Nah, that shit gonna be stank, bro.
Don't even, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I might end up shooting your ass, bro.
You gonna do what?
Yeah. I'm good, bro.
You saw what?
I'm good, bro.
I ain't put on nothing on there, though.
Shit bad. This is good.
It's straight. Ain't all that. Ain't all that. When you dropping the game, boy.
Make sure.
You'll be a damn fool.
I don't know, man. Pretty soon, though. Pretty soon. You single? Like, what's your relationship status?
Shit, single, big single.
Big single.
No situationship, no nothing. Big single, man. So, hey, look. If you got down, you know, I'm gonna say 20 and up.
He talking about 20 and up. I'm on one of 25 and up.
Hey, you ain't ready for that, boy.
Ooh.
You ain't ready for that, my boy.
Who that?
Yeah, gotta get my sister at around 7 o'clock.
She at work.
That shit crazy. What's your stay? Oh, your stay, my boy. No, I gotta be missing that.
You sick, bro.
How your stay? Let some people know. You wanna be on my case? They're gonna be on your case, then.
Your boy back single, man.
I don't think he's single. I think he's in a situationship, but we gonna say he's single though. He's single, bro.
If you're 25 and up, yeah.
But say 25.
And do you do grown folk stuff? I gotta know, shawty. You know nothing about that right there. That's the album. I think that's that Hollywood.
So, what you got planned for what you got, like, you doing, like what you got planned for, like,
What, school?
yeah, school, like, what your
We going crazy this school, yo. I ain't gonna tell you.
you gonna hit the college campus up?
Oh, yeah. You know, we hitting the car cameras up, man. Ain't got no plans for that right now, though. I'm finna go on start, you know, getting down, you know, doing my last minute type of person.
Yeah, you are, bro. You gotta chill with that last minute shit, y'all. That shit's straight. I don't like how that shit.
Huh?
That shit's great.
Why you sipping your soda like that? Don't sip your soda like that.
Bro, you better shut the fuck up
Don't
talking to me.
sip your soda like that, bro.
Fuck wrong with you? Somebody don't sip my shit.
Don't sip your... Hey, put your plate down, bro.
Get your goof ass back.
Hey, bro, stop eating in my car, bro.
Baby, get your goof ass
Stop
back,
eating in
bro.
my car, bro. Like, for real shit.
Bro, why y'all so hostile or something, bro?
Bro,
The fuck
stop eating
wrong
my
with
car.
you?
I got a question, bro. How you feel about that Melly shit, though? Like, you feel me? He was getting away with murder.
Oh, yeah, he got away with it?
Yeah, you think I can get away with it?
Oh, shit. You probably could.
Shit, I was thinking about doing that bit, boy. Shit. I can make me some murder my mind. Shit, I can be just like him, blow up, go to jail for a little couple years, you know what I'm saying? Damn, pop back out, get away with killing my damn homeboy.
Damn, what homeboy you gonna kill?
The less you know, the better. I've been feeling like his ass for real, for real. Like, I've been like literally listening to him, bro. Like, he been influencing me to kill you.
Huh? Who?
Kill one of my homeboys.
I thought you said me.
No, I said one of my homeboys.
But you better stop paying.
I don't know, bro. Like, fool. Like, I just love Melly, bro. Like, I be having murder on my mind, bro.
You get that shit out your mind, bro.
Why? Like, he been influencing me, bro. I don't know.
They get that shit out your mind, my boy. I ain't gonna count to you.
I ain't gonna tell you, my boy.
I ain't gonna count to you. This generation had y'all kids so fucked up for real, bro.
It's the rappers, bro.
Nah, that shit be crazy.
You need to listen to Lil Durk, The Voice.
No, I don't fuck Dirt.
You don't fuck with Durk? I fuck K-Trey. You fuck Pills?
I ain't shit.
I'm saying, who your favorite rapper?
Who my favorite rapper? I really don't got no favorite rapper for real, for real.
Young Dolph ain't no Key Glock. Blizzard.
I fuck with them heavy, but I fuck with everybody. I like everybody.
I got a question though. Out of Lil Durk, NBA Youngboy, and Lil Baby, who you picking?
Who?
And Big Young Boy, Lil Durk, or Lil Baby?
I gotta go with Lil Baby.
Damn, so I'm really have to do it to you. Man.
Do it to him.
No, I'm singing that song.
Bro, you been talking a little iffish a little bit. We gotta calm a little down now, bro.
I be trying to tell my young niggas chill them switch. We the only ones got them. We gonna put a box on the back of that bitch.
Back what?
Man.
You ain't got nothing.
I got a box though, bro. Like, I been ready to switch cheese a nigga down. Like,
Wait, you talking about like catch a goddamn mouse inside the box?
nah, box on the back of that pistol.
Bro, you don't,
Like,
you like, bro, why you talking like you just?
What you mean? I'm ready to switch it. I'm ready to switch a nigga down, bro. Like,
Bro, you bro, just chill, bro. What the fuck wrong with you now, bro?
I been ready to switch a nigga down lately, bro.
That's with the right person now. The Melly is crazy, right? Okay,
I like for real. Like, I been literally, nigga, this nigga been influenced, bro. Like, Lil Durk like the voice, bro. Like,
he influenced the wrong person around me.
you
funny hell. I fuck with this. I fuck with it too, though. I ain't gonna cat to you. Bro, what you got a gun, bro? What you got a gun, bro?
Couldn't even give her no kisses. And then post my Instagram. These pussy niggas be snitching. Everybody ain't just snitching. They growing and tripping. All out of my jail cell. I couldn't get in my feelings. And all smoke with that loud. Don't pay me no music, bro. I'ma shoot you.
But chill the fuck out, bro.
What you mean?
Chill the hell out,
You
bro.
chill out, bro. Don't turn my music down. That's the easy way to get shot.
Nigga, take your shit, nigga. Bro,
Stop tripping, bro.
Stop playing with me.
tripping,
Bro, stop playing with me, bro.
Why you just
playing with me, bro? Stop playing with me, bro.
Why you just play me like that,
playing
bro?
with me,
Nah, bro.
Stop
You
playing
just
with
play
me,
with me like that, dog, bro. Nah,
Bro, stop playing
tripping,
with me.
bro. Stop tripping. Hold on, bro.
Stop playing with me, bro. I'm beating them bitch like Dubbo in this bitch, nigga. Hitman. 2 pistols, nigga.
Don't chill out.
Stop playing with me,
All right,
bro.
Chill out, bro.
Bro, stop
Chill out,
playing,
bro.
bro.
Chill out, bro. Why you just got my gun, bro?
Let me go, bro.
Why you just got my gun, bro?
Let me go, bro.
Why you got my gun, bro?
Stop playing with me, bro.
Okay, bro. Give my gun back.
No, bro. Turn this shit out, bro.
Okay, chill. I'm trying to give my
Turn
gun.
this shit out, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. For real.
Give my gun.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Give my gun.
No, bro.
Give my
Calm your
gun.
ass down.
Okay, give my gun. I'm gonna stop.
Fuck wrong with you?
Bro, come on.
I'm gonna goddamn switch your
Okay,
ass down for real.
You tripping, bro. Bro, come on, bro.
Calm your ass down, bro. I gave it back to you for your caution, nigga.
Bitch, I'm gonna take it around his body.
You gonna still play this shit, bro?
Homicide.
You gonna still play this shit, bro? Stop playing with me, bro, for real.
And even me to shoot him. He just caught me by surprise.
Bro, stop playing with me,
I
bro.
reloaded my pistol, caught KJ and shot KJ twice. Dropped down to the floor and he got teardrops in his eyes.
Damn, man, I wanna do it to you, man.
His hand said he was afraid to die. Why you playing me like that, bro?
Who playing?
Why you playing me
Who
like
playing?
that, bro?
I ain't playing with you, bro.
Why you playing me like that? But don't be cocking your pistol back, bro.
Get
Cause
your
I'm
good
gonna cock
fire
my
out,
shit
bro.
back and pop your ass.
You gonna pop who?
I get out before you.
Huh?
I get out before you.
Bro, stop playing with me, bro.
Why?
Bro, stop playing with me, bro.
Stop tripping, bro.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Stop tripping, bro.
Stop playing with me, bro.
Stop tripping, bro.
Stop playing with me, for
Don't
real.
touch me, bro. If I up on you.
Bro, stop playing with me, for real.
Stop playing with me. If
How
I
you gonna
on
up it?
you.
How you gonna up it?
What you mean,
Who
how?
gonna up it first?
Left hand.
Who gonna up it first? Who gonna up it first? Stop playing with me, bro. Stop fucking playing with me, Quincy, for real. Stop
True.
playing with me, for real.
True.
Stop playing.
True.
Give me this shit right now. Give it to me.
Watch out.
Quincy.
Watch out.
Quincy, get here.
Watch out.
Quincy, give me the gun.
I be trying to tell my
Give me
young
gun, bro.
shit, switch. We on
Give me
one
gun.
got him.
Give
Chill
me-
out if I up it on you, bro.
You ain't gonna up it faster than me.
Ooh. True. Put it
Yeah.
down. Put it down.
I put it down. You
Okay,
can-
put it down.
Yo,
Alright. Why would I give you my gun? Like,
No,
what?
you put your down, put
Okay,
mine down.
true.
All the way, no, put
True, I'm
in front. Show me in front.
True. Put it down.
I am.
True.
I am.
No, put it down.
I am. You put your down.
Mine on the ground.
All right.
Drive
on the
it.
ground too.
Drive it.
Move your hand.
Drive it.
Move your hand.
Drive it.
All right. You see mine.
True. Chill. Just vibe.
You
bro.
vibe. You vibe. Chill the fuck out. You gonna still play, but just play a whole different song now, bro.
Bruh.
I don't even wanna play this shit no more, bro. Just play a whole different song. You don't, stop, bro. Stop with this shit, bro. Stop, bro.
Stop with what?
I'm finna go inside the crib, bro.
Why you gone, bro?
I'm gone, bro.
You gone, bro?
I'm gone, bro.
You gone, bro?
Cause I'm gonna have to pop your ass for real, man.
Yeah, just gonna go, bro.
I'm gonna have to pop your ass for real.
Go on, go, bro.
Bye.
Just chill, bro. Just chill. I ain't gonna pop you while you walking to the door, bro. I don't know, I might. That depends on my son come back up. Why you just took the... Nah. Why you took the cover off me,
bro, you grabbing for
why
your
you took
gun,
your host off?
Go you grabbing for your gun, bro.
I can't. I'm just saying you get out of the car.
Move.
I robbed my pistol on my lap.
You finna drive out, bro, so...
Okay, I robbed my pistol on my lap, though.
Okay, keep it right there until I go inside out.
True.
Let me see it, nigga.
It's over
Let me
here.
see it.
It's right there. Go. What you? Whoa! That's crazy. That's crazy. Man, this nigga KJ funny, man. This nigga KJ funny, man. Damn, look, he took my gun. Nigga tripping, man. Man, make sure y'all subscribe. Damn, I ain't get to tell him it's a prank. He left it food. Ooh, oh, he just left it. Oh, he left it food. I think he smacked this shit, but shit. Anyway, shit. Make sure y'all damn subscribe, drop a like, you know what I'm saying? If y'all like this video, goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel for more. Go check out, make sure y'all go subscribe to this channel. And shit, man, we out, man. Quincy TV gang out, man, no doubt. Oh, I gotta call my son, tell him it's a prank. Let me call my son, tell him it's a prank. Hey, come back outside, bro. I gotta tell you something real quick. Come back outside, bro.
Bro, you need to chill all that issue shit, bro. That Melly shit, bro.
Okay, true, bro. I got you, bro. The gun is on. Yeah, it's in the gun department. Chick, you see? Why you gotta, you feel me, just
Keep that motherfucker on my lap for you, my boy.
now let me tell you something.
Why you had to put the gun right there, bro?
Okay, listen.
This for my safety now,
okay,
bro.
this for my safety too, cause you.
Come on, bro.
It's a prank, bro. I was just playing. You know I would never slime you out like that, bro.
You better be a prank. But I'll hit your ass with these hollows.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. You better get sweet cheese though.
I'll hit your ass with these hollows.
But yeah, though.
You better be a prank, nigga. Prank, boy. Well, your mama gonna be cooking some fish, boy. But you gonna have a goddamn fish.
You gonna be eating sausage potatoes on your family eating sausage potatoes
your
on Saturday.
gonna be eating fish, nigga, trying to get that fundraiser, nigga.
No fundraiser.
Fundraiser for you,
No
nigga.
fundraiser.
You had to cook that fish, boy. Catfish at that.
We like tilapia, nigga.
Well, to life, nigga. Catfish with bone, catfish without bone, nigga. They gonna goddamn. Hey, that'll be a prank, nigga.
Yeah, man.
Damn, I had to tell your mama, damn. He was a great guy. I'm be your thing. He was a great guy, y'all. He was a great fucking guy. But I just had to goddamn get him gone. Yeah.
I don't feel you, gang.
Hey, boy. Hey, man, y'all boy, we're gonna get switched, man. I ain't gonna catch to you, bro.
Okay, come on. Alright, y'all. Subscribe, drop a like, go subscribe to the
Man,
channel.
fuck this nigga channel, man. Subscribe to my channel, man.
Fuck that nigga, can't like KJ.
Can't like KJ, the only man. It was
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Oh.
Don't say fuck my channel on my damn. You feel me? If I up back up on you, and I get.
Yeah, up it on them.
You up it on them? I'm up on your vlog,
nigga.
I'm up on your channel. What you mean? Up it on Can't Lie Nation.
Man, like I said, man, it was great. It was a cool prank, bro. What the fuck is
That was funny as hell. I ain't gonna lie.
It's great. It was dangerous. It was kind of dangerous, but it was great. But look, make sure y'all boy gonna have a like.
You ain't got no
subscribe to
safety,
the
bro.
video.
You ain't got no safety, bro. That shit is crazy.
Hey, y'all.
You gonna up a fucking Glock on me.
I'm with them. Hey, I'm certified with them motherfucking now, Jake. I'm physical with this now, Jake.
You up to the ground, Glock on me with no
I'm physical with this bitch now, Jake. But look, make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to his video. If you take a shower, make sure y'all like his video. If you don't take a shower, subscribe to his video. If you do both on, you know.
If you took a shower that night, go subscribe to his channel, man.
Y'all do that too. But look, tell me how y'all like the video.
Link in the description.
I fuck with that, my boy. I fuck with that. But look, like I said, we got shit else to say.
Yeah.